My 2-strand twist isn't laying down and I don't know why. There is one reason why your dreadlocks are still standing up, and I'll explain. Even if you've had your hair for a year and it's still standing up, it's okay. But how do you avoid it from standing up? The number one way of avoiding your dreadlocks from standing up is to not maintain it all the way down to the root, especially if you're instantly locking up using a crochet hook. Always leave a little bit of wiggle room at the root, because if you leave loose hair at the root of the dreadlock, it'll allow it to hang. So if you maintain it all the way down the root, it's going to want to stand straight up unless you interlock it that close to the root. Now, what's the difference between interlocking and twisting with gel or instant locking? With interlocking, when you pass it through the roots, it lays down in that direction. For a further explanation, I'm gonna show you this quick tutorial. All you do is you take the tip of the dreadlock, push it through the roots, and at minimum you wanna go in 2 separate directions so that it locks, but you always wanna finish in the direction you want your hair to lay down. And it's really as simple as that. If you want to know more information and more in detail to become a pro with using the interlock tool, make sure to join the Dreadlock School. A link to that is down below. Now let's finish reading this question. He says when he wakes up, they stick right back up. He's had his starter locks in since August 30th. That's when I started my journey. I have 4C and I'm just confused because everyone else with 2-strand twist lays down. Let's look at the video. Right off the bat, we're able to tell that his hair is 3 inches long, maybe even 4 inches. And that's why your hair is standing up. And it's not even standing up that much. But you really only have this in for 3 months. I'm gonna bring some comfort to your mind. It's okay for your hair to stand up. And in my opinion, I think it makes the dreadlocks look more unique. So at this point, just embrace it. And I would encourage all of you guys, in any stage that you're in with your dreadlocks, just embrace that stage, because you're gonna look back at it and actually appreciate it. But if you do have questions about your dreadlocks just like he did, make sure to DM me on Instagram at The Lock Doctor. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay patient.